Hey there, and welcome to my channel. This is Missy from Whimsical Creations. Today we're going to be using this pretty pink vinyl from the Vinyl People called Pink 3D Trees. The glitter I'm going to be using is from Glitter Heart Co., Fairy Tale, Pixie Hollow, and Princess. I'll list and link all the materials I use in the description box below. So I decided how far apart I wanted the vinyl, how wide I wanted the vinyl, and then I measured and I set up where I wanted to put my glitter. And I decided in the middle I wanted to do like an ombre with the two different pinks coming together in the middle. With the white glitter that's going to be in the middle that has a pink hue to it. So I thought the combination would really look good as to them blending together in the middle with the white. Now I'm going to go ahead with this chalk paint I bought from Michael's, and I used 2 coats of the chalk paint. It just wasn't dark enough for me because I really want to make that glitter pop. Once the paint is dry, I'm going to go in with Helios glitter glue. I like this. I go to different glues, whatever I guess I reach for. But I'm going to go ahead and do the top portion of the pink, actually in the bottom. The bottom is the darker pink, but I wanted to ombre this. So I usually do 2 coats of glue to make sure that I've gotten it covered completely. That way I don't have any bald spots. And if I have it, too thick, I can take it and, spread it out. So here I am, and I'm going in with the Princess. This is the lighter of the two, and I'm going to be putting this all along the top of the cup. Okay, now it's time for the bottom. I'm going to sprinkle that right along the bottom, nice and heavy-handed. That way I won't have to do more than 1 coat. It's such a pretty glitter. It has just such a shimmer to it. By the way, I did not put down the vinyl yet. I kind of go in between. I always have a problem. It always gets, the glitter gets underneath. I guess I don't secure it well enough or whatever, but I was going to try this time to put the vinyl down after I put the glitter on and I coated it so it wouldn't move. So here I went along that tape line again and did like a little ombre. I set the line so then I could ombre into the white. So once I tap that off, then I'm going to get the white that goes in the middle, which actually has a pink shift to it. Now I'll go back in and do the ombre, the darker pink, and kind of blend it into the white. And then I'll go ahead and take the lighter pink and blend it from the top down to the bottom of the white, tilting my cup so it will run into there to have a nice little ombre effect. I have to keep a little bit of the fun, relaxing part in, peeling the tape off so you can see those nice crisp lines. Now I'm going to go in and measure how much vinyl I'm going to cut. And I want to see if I can cut it close enough where I just fit the vinyl right in between the 2 glitter lines that I have in there. And then I want to leave enough vinyl and not have a lot of waste because I'm trying to measure precisely. So I can just do a little 2-inch circular cutout to put on the bottom of the tumbler. I was able to make those cuts really close and fit the vinyl right in between. Now I'm going to apply the vinyl with the hinge method, and I'm going to go around, and it fits right in between those 2 glitter lines, the middle and the top, and the same thing in the bottom. So I accomplished what I set out to do, which I was very happy with. After I'm done putting all the vinyl down and making the cuts, I'm going to go over with the polyacrylic just to make sure that I don't have any repelling of the vinyl either. Not that it would happen, but it could. And don't forget, I don't have any epoxy on this tumbler yet. Now that the vinyl's on and I put the polyacrylic on, now is for the final touches. This is the rhinestones that I purchased from Amazon, and I'm going to put those in the description box below. They're adhesive rhinestones, and they come in a row of two. So I just cut it down the middle, and I'm putting it along the edge of the vinyl and the glitter instead of using vinyl strips. I thought it would give it a little cute touch. And I know that it's going to stick up a little bit once I epoxy it because I'm trying to not to get so many layers of epoxy. And that's okay because the cup's for me anyway. But I thought this gave it a nice little sparkle. After I applied the rhinestones, I went over those with some polyacrylic, and then I did 3 coats of a little extra epoxy. The first coat was 35 mLs, and then I went in with 15 and 15 after that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by.